Hello everyone, welcome to Candletricks. I'm Kishore here. In this video, I'm going to share a swing trading strategy based on moving average indicator. I used this strategy before 2012 with more than 80% accuracy. Just by using this indicator, we will get up to 40% of accuracy only. But if you had a line trick, then we will get more than 80% accuracy. Fine. Follow all the instruction casually and do backtest and front test at least with 3 months of data, then use with your own confidence and accuracy. This strategy I was built based on the magnet pole attraction based. So opposite pole it will be attract. Look like I was understood about the market sentiment and also created. Fine. Do watch this video completely and hit the like button to appreciate me. Then share with everyone to support our channel and me to bring you more videos similarly like these concepts. If you are newcomer to our Candletricks channel, do subscribe and also click the notification button to get all updates instantly. And also join our Telegram and Twitter page for live market predictions, levels and etc. I will share those links below in this video description for your references. Okay, now let me share the idea about this concept. So first of all, removing the existing indicators, and this is actually weekly time frame chart. So let me tell you the rules first. So these are the rules we need to use for the strategy. First of all, indicator we need to use moving average. Two indicators we need to use. So this is TradingView application. Go to the indicator section and search moving average. So you will get n number of averages. So you just click moving average only. So first time I clicked and it was plotted. Again you have to click, then you will get one more indicator. Okay, see here, two indicators I added, and you need to click the settings button and change the length 5, then high. Color it will be in blue for this high, and remove all except weekly and ranges. Then click OK. And go to the next moving average indicator. Again remove all except weekly and ranges. Then style I'm going to set red color, and you just click here for 5 and low. Okay, you will get two indicators with different settings. One is high based, one is low based. Okay, so now this indicator we are going to use only in weekly time frame for filtering the stock. Okay, which are the stocks is good for reversal trading we need to focus. Okay, so sometimes we will get same trend also, but in this strategy I will focus only reversal trades. So that only I'm going to share here. Okay, and entry and exit we will focus in 45 minutes time frame chart. Risk reward minimum 1:2, up to 5 times it will provide you based on the strategy. So these are the rules. So let's getting into the examples. Now let me delete this rules. Now this is weekly time frame chart of Asian Paints. Okay, so in this chart what we need to validate in weekly time frame, very simple. When a candle closes outside the highest band, upside band, lower side band, two bands are there, right? Two average lines are there. So when the candle is closing abnormally outside the upside band, then we need to select the stock for next downfall momentum. Okay, if your candle closes below the line, similar like this, abnormally I'm saying, okay, abnormally it is closing, so it is completely outside closed. Okay, this one, which means next week we are going to focus for a upside momentum. Okay, this is the basic rule, the idea only I was shared. Okay, so next we need to go into the 45 minutes time frame chart. In this particular time frame we are focusing for entry, stop loss and target fixing purposes. First of all, we'll go and check the week. See here, this last week, last Friday, it was closed outside abnormally above both lines. So upside it is closed means we need to focus for a selling side. That only I was mentioned, right? So next week, Monday, we need to validate where is the entry we need to enter and which place is the stop loss and target how much we need to fix. So let me explain you. So 12th Monday, which means today is the 12th. So I'm just getting into the 45 minutes time frame. If you see here, on Friday itself, it was given an opportunity. How to identify means very simple. In this time frame, this is the Friday data. Okay, this is Monday data. On Friday, what was happened? Just select recent swing lows and draw the line. Okay, recent swing low and connect the line. Minimum 2 swing lows are required. So if you connect the line means when the price is breaking and closing below the line, you need to enter. This candle is not closed below the line, so you need to draw once again here to next level of swing low. Here also it is closed. and once again here also it is closed. So now you will get confusion which trend line we need to use. Very simple. I just delete all these things. Here only you are checking the chart means nearby swing lows you need to connect. Recent swing two lows you need to connect. Here and here. Two swing lows you got it right. So here only you need to connect. Clear? And this candle is closed below the swing low. Clear? Now abnormally it is closing outside means you just wait for a pullback till this nearest swing low. On the particular level you can take the opportunity. And how to fix the stop loss and target, let me tell you. This is the entry point I told you, right? So nearest swing high, this is the swing high. That place is a stop loss, and target how to fix means minimum 2 times calculating with the risk we can fix. So 2 times means this is a 2-time target for this trade. And if you check here, it went below around 5 times it was given. See here, I was told exactly 5 times it was given. See here, okay. So I told maximum 5 times we can capture. It may go further also, but maximum 5 times if it is reached immediately means we can exit. And also from the 5 times of the target, it will be bounce back. That is why I told 5 times it will give maximum. Clear? Okay, let me show you some other examples for better understanding. Again, we are going to weekly time frame. Here you can see this candle is closed outside. So next week we need to check, right? So every time you don't see on Monday, you just validate on Friday itself. Then you will get earlier entry, similar like last week, Friday. Okay, so if you entered in this particular area means definitely you got this much of movement in just one day itself. So here we are going to validate. On 17th is a candle. So 24th is the next week starting day. So just going to check which month. 24th October. 45 minutes I'm going back again. October 24th. See, this is the starting date of that particular. If you draw a trend line means there is no connecting possibilities for trend line drawing, right? So now I'm just plotting the trend line here, which means it is breaking too late. Okay. So I'm just deleting that line, and again I'm waiting for the particular week. Again we are going to the weekly. Here this is the next week, 24 to this is the 31. Next week is starting. So 24th, after 24th we are going to validate. Let me get into the 45 minutes. So this is the 24. Again we coming to the chart, and from here we are drawing the line. So here it is breaking up. Again we are checking one more recent swing point. Okay. So either you can choose here or here. Recent one is more than enough. Okay, so swing high and swing high I connected, and here the price is broken and closed outside. So my entry will be above this point, and my stop loss will be nearest swing low I told. So the nearest swing low means here only, right? So that place only I selected, and maximum 5 times I told. Okay, so it went up almost 8 times it went up. Okay, so risk will be just 13 rupees only. Okay, but see the momentum, super, right? So that is the power of this method. I hope you understood about this concept. Fine. Now let me share you another one example. Again back to the same chart. Okay, this time we will check another chart. Which chart will go? Reliance is most familiar and many people are using. So this one will take. Okay, see this move, how to pick. Let's see. What is the condition first of all? Weekly chart, and which candle is closed outside abnormally above the line, both lines we are checking and selecting the stock. This stock is closed outside, so this stock we are selecting, and on Thursday or Friday we have to validate because based on this abnormal close. Okay, so now we are going to check into the lower time frame. So the week is started on 28th. After that we will check. 28th is here. Okay. So from this place it is moving up. So this is okay. Next week is starting by year only. Okay. So here also we can take the position, but here itself we got a earlier position entry. Okay. So here the price is moving up. Now we are validating where is the swing lows are connecting and breaking. See here, these two lows are broken and confirmed here, right? Abnormally closed outside, right? So which means what we need to do, wait for a pullback and we can take a entry near to the swing low. But here not having any swing low. So again the price is touching the line and coming back means you can go with the first bearish candle low. So I will take the entry here and placing the stop loss. Recent swing high. Recent swing high means here. Okay. And my target already I was mentioned 1:2 is the first initial step of target. So 1:2 is here, right? So see here, after reaching the target, some corrections. If we need to avoid means definitely we can book at 1:2. Otherwise you can go with a trailing stop loss method if you know based on the price action method or your method. Okay. So that will help you for gaining more. Okay. So it went down till how much level? Till date it is in a downfall only. So I told now 5 times, 5.1 times it was fell down, given a profit. After reaching the 5 times, see how much pullback it gave. That's what I told you. Maximum 5 times we can capture. Again, if it is going downside means no issues. But from the 5th time, it will give pullback definitely. That's why I told 1:5 maximum we can capture. Clear? So simple logic, simple idea. We can enter based on this strategy. Okay. Only for stock selection we use this indicator in weekly time frame. Then take the entry, stop loss and target. Fix the entry, stop loss and target based on 45 minutes time frame. You can go 1 hour, 2 hour also, but 45 minutes means you will get quality entries. That is why I am suggesting in 45 minutes. So this is one of the strategy I used previously. Right now I am not doing any kind of positional trading. That is why I stopped using this strategy, and I am very much happy to share with you all about this strategy. I hope this content is very valuable and informative for your knowledge, learning and making. So hit the like button to appreciate me and share with everyone. Give a positive comments and also your experience with this strategy after testing. Update in the comment message. Again, thanks for watching this video. We'll see you in next content series. Take care. Bye bye.